Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're gonna be working on spark plugs and wires for a little bit. You feel me? Luckily we only gotta do 6 and not 8, so it shouldn't take us as long. Motorcraft. Always, if you got a Ford, get motorcraft. You get anything else, possibility that catch fire. Now you know, if you didn't know, because I didn't know. Hola, dos. And I got all my tools. Oh yeah, we got some new toolbox, boys. We scrapped the other one. That's the legendary loot chest. We upgraded boxes from common to legendary. So yeah. Y'all ain't never met him. This is my brother, Mari. What does that say? Huh? What does that say?
Oh, state champions.
Yeah, they state champions for their school.
Oh, yours is not like that. Okay. See, I'm not.
Come around here real quick. We got 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3 right there, and then you come on this side. All we got is another 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, just to change those and the wires. And then that's all we doing today on that bit. We're gonna go ahead and get started on that bit.
Sans, what the fuck?
So out with the old, in with the new, y'all can see like a little difference in the old one and the new one. And they come preset, so you don't have to already set them. So time to reassemble. Alright guys, so we got all 3 replaced on this side. The wires are over here. The bad spark plugs over there. She's running a little rich on 3. Either 3 or 5, she's running rich. So, right. Hold on. Yeah, see. I'm gonna show y'all how to do just one of them. It's not hard, but I forgot to show y'all before I got started. I just went ahead and got started. So you just pull the wire off the plug like that right there. It's gonna pop. But first you gotta take your casings off. I use a flathead screwdriver. Get up in between there and then just pop it just like that. Same thing right here. Get up in between there. Pop it just like that. Then you'll trace, just do it one at a time because you don't want to mess up your firing order. I usually just put it to the side first, then I'll go, finger for your plug, grab your wrench. You want to start taking that bad boy up on off of there. Shit. It's loose though. There she goes. Out with that. And with this one right here. Once you find a hole, you want to hand tighten it first. And after you hand tighten it, then you want to get your wrench and go crazy. Alright, y'all, we're all done. See, that's all the old wires and stuff, packed everything up already. We already went ahead, changed all of them. Yep, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since we don't have an 8, 6-cylinder, not an 8-cylinder, we only had 6 to do instead of 8. And we had a little bit of more room to work with, so it was a lot easier to get to. 6, 7. Anyway, that's what's up. Guys, plug might not be in here all the way. Hold on. Alright, start it back up. Alright, hold up, guys. We'll be right back. Let me figure this out real quick.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all. We finna go to AutoZone real quick. I don't have any oil in here. The oil is low. So I feel like that's why it's rattling. I think that's a rod that I'm hearing. We finna go to the parts store, go get some oil, and then check it out. We'll be right back.
One eternity later.
Alright, y'all. So I fucking figured it out. First of all, I didn't have no oil in it. You know what I mean? I was running bone stock dry for a little minute. I remember oil was in it, but then yeah. So guess what, guys? Come to the back, y'all boys. I know y'all hear that drive out there. Back and better up. Hey, look at that bit. Oh my. Well, let me try that thing for y'all boys in the back. Y'all boys in the back, nigga. I just showed you how to change plugs and wires, even though, you know, that bit is chopping. I'm gonna take y'all for a spin. Alright, y'all boys, I'm back. It's another day. Yesterday we drove the car. It was running okay. I think something's wrong with my coil pack because something's wrong with like the fire order and stuff like that. Me and my brother, we went to AutoZone with my dad and we went and got us a coil pack. We finna go ahead, replace that and see if that's what's wrong with it. You got it in 0.5? Guys, this is the coil pack right here. My firing order is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4. So I'm not even gonna touch it. You know what I mean? Like I'm gonna just take it off and just replace it one by one. It's like I already got it set. So we're gonna do that now. Blah 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 blah. Remove the coil. La 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 la. If y'all ever want to know the instructions, here you go.
We're too black to read instructions.
What?
You know that.
No, nigga, I do read. I don't know about you.
One of those.
Nigga, reading is fundamental. That's how you learn how to run our cars. Reading. That one's not on there like butter. There you go. Just slide off like that. I don't even think this junk has been changed since the car has been made. That was like 15 years ago.
Yep.
Wait, no.
Wait,
20 years ago.
20 years ago.
Oh my goodness. All right, yo, I'm just making sure everything on there nice and snug, man. You already know it. All right. And so since this was like this, it's still the same way with the firing order. Take this one.
So the time gonna be the same.
Firing order should be the same. So this is the old one, y'all. So you can sit here and look at it. Oh, raggedy pieces. Alright, and then the last plug goes on here. Snaps on here like that. Alright, before we start it, we're just gonna put these back in and we'll get right back with y'all. Then you gotta start that bad boy. Oh yeah, a little bit, yeah. Okay. Guys, this thing runs, this thing rips, so shit. I think that's it of the video, boys. So shit, that's how you change spark plugs, wires, and a coil pack on the 2005 Mustang V6.